All right, you're now ready for the flat satin stitch. Now on our directions for the punch needle and bloom, I'm actually at step number 11. It says flat satin, light yellow bee body. Let me show you what it looks like. Right here, it's just going from one side of the bee to the next, one side of the bee to the next. Very much like you did the flat leaf stitch, but you're just going in one area. Now another example besides the bee, because that's really small, is I want to show you how a flat satin also looks on another type of design that we have at Kimberbell. Here you can see on these directions that it's also labeled as flat satin. So what I'm about to show you on the bee actually still applies for a project like this, where it's a larger area to cover. You're jumping from one side to the next, one side to the next, so that you have these nice long stitches covering a specific area. All right, this one is from our Gift the Season project. All right, so I'm going to start with the top of the bee's head here, and I'm going to punch down here and then go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Now, because I am stitching in the direction towards the bottom of the bee, I'm going to make sure my needle is also turned, or my needle tip is also turned in that direction as I stitch from one side to the next. All right, I'm going to start here till my needle drops and the base of my handle is at that fabric. I'm going to pull my tail to the back, and now I'm just going to stitch from one side of that bee to the next and jump and drag that yarn as I go. One side, jump, jump, jump. So you can see it's going to give it a little extra dimension. It's going to lift a little higher than normal because of that jump. And every time you do it, you're just dragging your fabric. And there you go. Gonna keep my tail on the back, lift my needle, snip it close to the base, and pull the rest of that yarn to the back. All right, once again, I can do a little pinch and pull to make sure those stitches lie pretty flat, and I'm ready to go on with my next step.